reading the paper with Grandpa?
Or a cartoon.
Reading the paper? Teresa's singing Toby Keith.
I gotta talk about me.
Hi, Dylan. Hi.
I gotta talk about me.
Is that fun? See what happens when we take the paper away. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens when we take the paper away. What happens? You don't like that. Now give him the paper back. Okay, now he's happy.
What is the cartoon?
Paper's fun. You had no idea how much fun it could be before Dylan showed you.
Read the whining ads now.
What?
Just read the whining ads.
You reading the wanted ads?
I'm mad. He goes, I'm tearing the whole thing apart.
You don't care. We don't care. Hey, Dylan. Okay, we'll send this to Grandpa. We'll send that to Grandpa.